Right, listen up. Because on May the 12th, the rules change. And if nobody's told you this yet, you're about to get caught out. From the 12th of May, the DVSA is making it against the law for your driving instructor to book your test for you. Against the law. To change it, to move it, to swap it. All of it, gone. You have to do it yourself on Gov.uk. With your own details, your own login. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm already waiting 22 weeks for a test and now I've got admin too. Yes, welcome to it. But here's the bit they're not saying loud enough. You only get 2 changes to your booking. 2. That's it. You mess about, you lose the slot, gone. So before you click a single button on that website, you want somebody in your corner. Somebody who knows the Crawley, Burgess Hill and Horsham test centres inside out. Somebody making sure your theory's still valid, your instructor's reference number is ready, and you don't waste a single one of those 2 changes. That's Pass plus S.O.M. Book a lesson, and I'll walk you through the booking, step by step. Don't do this one on your own, I got you.